Hey there, Verdana fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are previewing our newest listing here in the Verdana Village, Estero, Florida. It's 18332 Parksville. This is the Summerville floor plan by Lennar. 3 bedrooms plus den, 3 bath. You get the 3-car garage and over 2,400 square foot. Let's run inside and take a beautiful look at this home. So you've got a nice entry space here when you first walk in, but to the right is going to be the first guest bedroom here. So you've got the windows out towards the front, allowing for lots of natural light. You've got the bifold style closet here. And notice you do have the plank tile flooring in this bedroom as well as throughout the rest of the home. Now, right off the guest bedroom here is the guest bath. So you have the single sink, the commode, the combination tub and shower. And then back into the entry space here, directly to the right, this is your den here. So it is a true den. So you do have the window, but there is no closet in this room, so it is a formal den. And then coming straight across from the den, right down this hallway, we've got a couple of things. We have your indoor laundry space with additional storage above. You have the utility sink, and that leads you into your 3-car garage here with the painted floor. And then right off the laundry space here, this is your second guest bedroom. Nice size bedroom here, again with the tile flooring. And then this one has its own bathroom, which is a nice touch. So you've got a full-size shower, the commode, and then the singular sink as well. And that leads us into our great room area here. The Summerville opens up really nicely here. Huge living space, beautiful open kitchen with the quartz countertops. You've got the stainless appliance package. Right here in the corner, you have a walk-in style pantry. And this is all overlooking your great room area here. You also have the huge dining spot here right by the window overlooking the views. So really nice open space here. This owner has added lighting around the pendants as well. They've also repainted from the white to the color that you see now. Last but not least, on the interior here, you've got the master. So you've got a huge master space here, again with the tile flooring. You do have access out to your lanai directly from the master with the sliding glass doors. And then you have this huge master bathroom here. So you've got the split sinks. You've got this huge shower right here. And then his and hers closets. Look at the size of those guys right there. Really nice size closets for both him and her. A couple of other upgrades to speak about. On the interior here, the owner has added pull-out shelves in the kitchen, so you have those on the lower cabinets. And then they've also added the curtains and blinds that you see throughout the home, as well as storm protection. So they do have a drop-down storm shutter here on the lanai to protect the entire area right here, as well as accordion shutters on the windows and a roll-down shutter out front as well. Last but not least, you have the beautiful view. This is a huge lake back here. So you've got a nice, long, wide view of the lake here from the back of your home. Also, plenty of room to add your own custom pool and make it exactly what you like. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.